We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including Capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to Word PowerPoint. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Once it opens, then we will start work there. Okay, click on enable editing. Then we have to make that zoom, so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss a word intro Cap1 national sale meetings, the name of a summit, then change its color. Okay, then here is a project description, so we have to increase its size and change its color, so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video we will discuss a word intro Cap1 a national sales meeting assignment step by step. But before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward a whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have, let me check, we have 19, 20, 25. We have a 25 question in graded part. So let me start this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. So word intro Cap1 national sales meeting. First we will read description, then we will get idea. Okay, in this project you will apply skills you practiced from objective in Word chapter 1 to 3. You will assist learning the vice president of marketing to audit and create documents for national sales meeting that will precede a winter sport expo sponsored by Frontier Orange Action Sports. The documents include a cover letter from the vice president to the company president. The letter will occupy a packet of material, the meeting and expo, which include a brief resume for guest speaker, a flyer that will announce expo, newsletter for employees, and a research paper on the history and development of the skills. So we will just after reading a description we get idea what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. Now we are moving toward a graded part. So steps to perform, then instructions. Open the Word document, this one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. So we have to open, we call that a solution file. Okay, once it open, then we will start working on there. So question number 1 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 2. So on the letter on page 1, select a first paragraph, front range action sport and increase. First we have to select first paragraph, this one. Now what we have to do there, we have to increase its font size to 28 point. So we have to increase its font size to 28 point, press enter. Then change the font size of next 4 paragraph, address line and website to 12 point. Next 4 paragraph, this one we have to select next 4 paragraph and change its font size to 12 point. this one, press enter, got. So question number 2 is done, and we have earned 2 marks from there. In question number 2, we have to move toward letter on page 1 and select first paragraph, front range action sports, and then increase the font size to 28 point. Then change font size of next 4 paragraph, the address lines and a website to 12 point, and we have earned 2 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 3, select the first 5 paragraph lines that you are formatted, change the font to Arial. Now we have to select first 5 paragraph line that we have already formatted, mean these 5 lines first we have to select them. Then what we have to change font to Arial. Now we have to change their font to Arial, press enter. Then then display the border and shading dialog box and create a 6-point automatic color border to left of on left side of selected text. Okay, now we have to apply the border shader, then create 6-point automatic color. So we this one is color border shader. Now we have to apply what color? Sorry, we have to apply 6-point. We this one is 6-point automatic color. Then there is one more option that we have to color border on left side of selected text. Left side mean this one is right and this one is left. So we have to select on this side, then simply press OK, done. Then in next word, in the paragraph that begin, if you have any selected second sentence and move to it to the beginning of the paragraph, adjust the spacing as necessary so that no extra blank space at the end of paragraph. So now we have to open this one, and there is no paragraph space. Okay, if you have where is if you have paragraph. Okay, this paragraph and that end on select a sentence beginning with paragraph if you have any. So we have to select this one, and there is space option, and we have to pay 0 before and after. Okay, so question number 3 is done, and we have earned 3 marks from there. In question number 3, we have to select first 5 paragraphs on which we have worked on question number 2. First we have to select those one, then change their font to Arial. Then we have to display border and shading dialog box, create a 6-point automatic color border on left side of selected text, and we have earned 3 marks from there. Now moving to question number 4. On page 2 in newsletter, select a second paragraph of the text which with beginning employ newsletter. Employ newsletter. So yeah, here we have to select this paragraph. On page 2, select second paragraph text which begin with employer newsletter. Now display the border and shading dialog box, then add an automatic colored 3-point below the paragraph. Okay, so we have to apply the border shading size 3 automatic color, and that must be bottom, this one. Then simply That's okay. Done. Then, so question number 4 is done. Okay. So after solving question number 4, we have earned 3 marks from there. In question number 4, we just move toward P2. In the newsletter, select the second paragraph of the text which begins with employer's newsletter. Then display the border and shading dialog box, and then add an automatic colored 3-point line below the paragraph. We have done question number 4 and we got this result. Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 5, starting with paragraph that beginning with national sales meeting. Select all the text from point to the end of the page, including paragraph marks after word event. Okay, now we have to start with paragraph national sales meeting. Here we have to select all the text, this one. Then now what we have, do not select a page break. Okay, then change the space after 6 point, format the text into 2 columns, space after 6 point. So we have to apply layout, sorry, space after 6 point. Then text into 2 columns. Now we have to format that text into 2 columns. Then and apply justified alignment. Okay, now we have to apply their justified alignment. So we have to apply their justified alignment. Then simply press OK. Done. So question number 5 is done and we have earned 3 marks from there. So in question number 5, we have to starting with the paragraph that begins national sales meeting. Select all the text from that point to the end of the page, including the paragraph marked after the word events. Do not select page break. Change spacing after 6 point. Format the text in 2 columns and apply justify alignment. We have earned 3 marks from there. Now moving to question number 6. At the top of first column, select paragraph national sales meeting. Okay, we have to select this one. Then from font, change font size to 20 point, apply bold and add small caps effect. We have to 20 font, then make that bold. Then what is on last word? We have to apply their small cap effect. Small caps effect. Okay, done. Then center the paragraph. Now we have to make that a center. So that is already selected. Okay, in paragraph we have to select them in center. Then apply same formatting to the paragraph Winter Sports Expo. Okay, now we have to apply same formatting to this paragraph. So we have to copy formatting. First we have to select this one and here is copy formatting option. Then we have to paste that here. Simply select this one and that will be shifted there. So question number 6 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. In question number 6, we have to move toward the top of first column and there we have to select the paragraph national sales meeting. From font dialog box, we have to change font size to 20, apply bold and add small caps effect. Then center the paragraph, apply same formatting to the paragraph Winter Sport Expo. We have done and we got 5 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 7. So on the same page in a blank line above last paragraph of newsletter, on same page in the blank line above last paragraph of newsletter. So we have to move there. I think so here. Then what we have to do? Insert a picture you download. Okay, if necessary, set the width. Okay, now we have to in the picture there first. So click on insert and then take a picture that we have already downloaded from Pearson. So where is that picture? Here is that picture. So which picture we have to apply? We have to take picture of powder seeking. This one. Insert. Then what we have to do? Then if set the width of picture 3 inches and apply 10 points soft edge. So apply width to 3, that is done. Then next one is we have to apply soft edge effect. Soft edge effect, we have to apply there 10 point on this one. Okay, done. So question number 7 is done and we have earned 4 marks from there. So in question number 7, on the same page in the blank line above last paragraph of newsletter, and there we have to insert a picture from your download files. If necessary, set the width of picture to 3 inches and apply 10 points soft edge effect. We have done question number 7 and we got this result there. Okay. Now moving toward question number 8. In the blank paragraph at the top of page 3, insert 2 cross 3 table. Now we have to move toward page 3. This one is page 3 and here we have to in a table. So we have to click on insert table and table is 2 cross 3. 2 cross 3 table. Then in first cell of the table, type following 4 lines pressing enter after each. First cell of the table we have to in all these data pressing enter. So copy this one, then paste that here, then simply press enter, then again copy this one, then paste that here, change this one, then press enter, then copy this one, paste that here, then change its size, press enter, then copy last one, this one, then paste that here and press enter. Okay, so question number 8 is done and we have earned 4 marks from there. So in question number 8, in the blank paragraph at the top of page 3, insert a table 2 cross 3. In first cell of the table, we have to type following 4 lines pressing enter after each line. That's why we just press enter. And we have in all these data there and we get this result after solving question number 4. Okay. Sorry, question number 8. Now we are moving toward question number 9. So in question number 9, in the second row of the table, we have to in the first cell we have to type career heights and then press enter, press tab. In a second, so in a second cell of a second row, insert a text from a download file, this one, and then press a backspace to remove blank line at the bottom of inserted text, and we will earn 2 marks from there. Then in question number 10, in a third row of the table, we have to insert first in first cell we have to type education, and then in the cell right we have to type Mr. Liu's education information as follows. Press enter after each line, and we will in all these data there, and we have to press enter, and we will get 4 marks from there. So question number 10 is done. Same we will solve other parts. So you may see we have just 24 question in graded part. Out of 24 question we have done first 10 to 12 question, mean half of assignment is done from my side in today video. So in today video we have discussed a word intro Cap1 national sales meeting assignment. In short we just discussed project description. After that then we move toward graded part, and we have solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have solved question number 6, 7, 8. Then we have solved question number 9 and 10. Mean half of assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete a solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may contact me. I'm available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. Remember that price will be reasonable. Assignment will be ready in next 30 minutes with 100% result. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price, and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply text me. You may simply contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. I will respond instantly, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. So in today's video we have discussed a word intro Cap1 national sales meeting. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.